The core of what we are is fashioned out of love. Although perhaps only saints and Buddhas embody absolute love completely, every moment of working with the challenges of relative human love brings hints of this divine possibility into our lives. As the children of heaven and earth, we are a mix of infinite openness and finite limitation. This means that we are both wonderful and difficult at the same time. We are flawed, we are stuck in old patterns, we become carried away with ourselves. Indeed, we are quite impossible in many ways, and still, we are beautiful beyond measure. For the core of what we are is fashioned out of love, the potent blend of openness, warmth, and clear, transparent presence. A boundless love that always manages to somehow sparkle through our limited and finite form. Indeed, bringing absolute love into human form involves learning to hold the impossibility of ourselves and others in the way that the sky holds clouds, with gentle spaciousness and equanimity. And the sky can do this because its openness is so much vaster than the clouds that it doesn't find them the least bit threatening. Holding our imperfections in this way allows us to see them as trail makers of work in progress that we are, rather than as impediments to unconditional love or true happiness. In so doing, we can genuinely observe that, yes, everyone has relative weaknesses that cause suffering, yet everyone also possesses absolute beauty, which far surpasses any of these limitations. So let us melt down the frozen, fearful places tucked away in the shadows of our minds by holding them in the warmth of tenderness and the mercy of our own unconditional love. Namaste.